Hello guys, welcome to a brand new video on daily tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to teach you some easy steps on how you can create an account on the Westpac Bank. Now, firstly, to create an account in the Westpac Bank, make sure that your device is connected to the internet and then open up a web browser. Now, once the web browser opens up on your screen, on the search bar type in WESTPACBANK and then hit the search button. After you hit the search button, you'll be redirected to the results page. Now on this page, on the top of your screen, you'll see this link. Go ahead and click on it. Once you click on that link, you'll be redirected to the home page of Westpac Bank. Now on this page, on the top right corner of your screen, you'll see this register option. Go ahead and click on it. Once you click on this register option, this menu will appear on your screen. Now on this menu, choose the type of account you want to create and then click on it. After you click on that link, you'll be redirected to another page. Now on this page, simply click on this register option. After you click on that register option, you'll be redirected to a page where you'll have to fill in some forms. Now there are 4 steps which you will have to fulfill to create a Westpac account. So simply fill in all these details and keep clicking on next until you finish filling in your details. And once you do that, and if all your details are valid, your Westpac Bank account will be created. I hope this video helped you to create an account on the Westpac Bank. Don't forget to like, share and comment on the video, and do subscribe to the channel for more such amazing tutorials. Thank you for watching.